Hello Master Jet, ask ko lang po kung si substitute teacher ba makakakuha ng special hardship allowance or multi-grade pay ni teacher na nag-maternity leave. So, ang nangyari, yung teacher na eligible for a hardship allowance ay on maternity leave. So, itong kanyang substitute teacher ay mayroon bang matatanggap na hardship allowance sa pagiging sub-teacher? Ito po yung sagot ng DepEd Order number 39, Series of 2021. No, nasa General Guidelines and Other Eligibility Conditions. So, dito po sa pinakababa, the qualified, sa number 1 po ito, the qualified teachers may either be resident or transient, having permanent or provisional or substitute or temporary appointment. So, ibig sabihin, kahit ikaw ay isang substitute teacher, kung doon ka na naka-assign sa isang paaralan na eligible for hardship allowance, then you are eligible din, no? Makakatanggap ka rin. Sa case na ito, kung nasa pure multigrade school ka at yung guro na on maternity leave na siya pong dahilan kung bakit nandun ka at nag-sub, siya ay eligible for hardship allowance being a multigrade teacher. Ngayon, pumalit ka sa kanya as a substitute teacher, tapos multigrade pa rin yung hinahandle mo kasi pure multigrade yung paaralan na yon, then you are eligible for the hardship allowance kahit hindi ka pa permanent in appointment, no, hindi pa permanent yung inyong status kahit ikaw ay substitute teacher pa. No, again, dito po ay nasa DepEd Order number 39, Series of 2021.